today our group is going to be showing you how to balance equations. First, I'm going to balance the molecular equation. Then Michelle is going to do the complete ionic equation, and Olivia is going to finish up with the net ionic equation.
And Brent's filming, just he didn't want to tell you.
The first step to balancing the molecular equation is to write down all of your elements. So we have calcium, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. And do the same thing for the other side. And you write them in this order. It doesn't matter what order these go in, but we always do hydrogen second to last and oxygen last. So I'm going to write down how many atoms of each I have. For calcium, I have 1. For nitrogen, I have 2. For hydrogen, we also have 2. And for oxygen, we have 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 on this side. And we do the same thing for the other side. So we have 1 calcium, 1 nitrogen, 3, 4, 5 oxygen, and for hydrogen we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now let's start with the first one. Calcium is good to go. We have 1 on each side. Nitrogen, we have 1 on this side and 2 on that side. So I'm going to stick the 2 in front of this. So that changes hydrogen to 1, 2, 3, 4. Changes nitrogen to 2. Oxygen to 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now we need to go on this side and balance the hydrogen. So we need to have 4 on this side. I'm going to put a 2 in front of the 2H2O. That changes hydrogen to 4. And that changes oxygen to 3, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, on each side we have equal amounts. Now Michelle is going to do the complete ionic equation.
Okay, now we will be showing you how to make the complete molecular equation. And what you're going to do is you're going to break up all of these into their individual elements. So we're going to start right here, and we're going to write 2H plus aqueous. You always want to make sure that you include the charge and the state. Then we're going to move on to NO3, and since this is a polyatomic, we will not be breaking this apart, but we will carry the 2 over, so it will be 2 NO3 aqueous. And then, do I put a charge on this? Negative. And then we're going to continue on, and we're going to break this apart. We'll place Ca positive aqueous with, again, polyatomic, so we will not break them apart, 2HOH minus aqueous. Then we will move on to this side of the equation. And this is in a liquid state, so we will not be breaking this apart. So it will be 2H2O plus liquid. And then we're going to break this last part apart. And it will be Ca plus aqueous plus, again, polyatomics, don't break them apart, 2NO3 aqueous. And that is your complete molecular equation. And now Michelle will show you the net ionic equation.
Yep.
Okay, so now I'll be doing the net ionic. You have to look on both sides and cancel out what you have doubles of. So you look at 2H, it's not on that side, so we're going to keep it. Look at 2NO3, it's on that side, so we're going to cancel this out. And then we're going to cancel this out. And then come back, look at Ca, it's also on that side, so we're going to cancel that out. And then this isn't on the side, so we're going to keep both of these. And then you have to write it out. So we're going to have 2H aqueous. We're also going to have this one, so it's going to be plus 2OH minus. And that's it for that side. So then we need this, so we'll have 2H2O, which is a liquid. And that's it for the net ionic, but then you also have to look at this and this, and they cancel out because they're both 2's. So your end product's just going to be
the 2 for the hydroxide is canceled out also, because
Yeah,
they're
all
all
of
2's.
and that's your net ionic.
Ta-da!
And then you're going to come over here and you write what you have left. So it's going to be 2H plus aqueous. And then that's all for that side. So you're going to do 2H2O liquid. And then
Hydroxide needs to go on the left side.
redo.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a complete
Ionic.
ionic equation. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to do the complete molecular. And since this is a polyatomic,
Just a polyatomic.
it's a polyatomic, you can edit that part too.
No.
Dang it. Okay, I'm only at the beginning.
Okay,
Isn't it hard? I'm telling you.
Say action.
Action. Okay, go.